Inspired by Aishwarya Rai's iconic makeup glam and style. First, I'm going to start by using color corrector in the shade Light Cherry and put it in the areas where I need color correcting, and then I'm going to blend it in with this fluffy brush. Now I've taken a concealer and placed it in the areas that I need concealing, and also did the same thing by blending it in with the same brush. I'm taking this concealer all the way up to my brow bone, and then I'm going to put a tiny bit of loose powder to set the entire area. For this look, I'm using a couple of palettes. I'm going to start with the Empowered palette by Huda Beauty. For my transition shade for this look, I'm going to be taking the shade Big Dreams and applying it right above where I would like a crease to be, and just kind of blending it upwards and doing it in a nice smooth motion. I did add a couple of layers. Now I'm going to take this champagne shade called Bold Moves and apply it with my fingers to both of my lids. I use my fingers to apply shimmer shades because I find that it deposits products very well that way. Now I'm going to take this beautiful gold shade called Charisma and apply it on top of my lids as well. I was a little bit disorganized, so I ended up using a couple of palettes, but I'm going to take this beautiful purple shade from the Danessa Myricks palette and apply it as a liner. Then I'm going to take this sparkly purple shade from my other Danessa Myricks palette and apply it above my lids to give that beautiful shimmer. I will list the products that I used in the description. Lining my eyes using L'Oreal Infallible Pencil liner in the shade Black, and then I'm going to take a flat brush and smoke it out just a little bit so the line isn't so harsh. Using NYX Epic Ink Liner to create a really nice thin line on top of my lash line, and using mascara to support my lashes so that I can apply Ioni Faux Mink crisscross lashes over top. Using BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil Rio Edition palette for this next part. I'm taking this deep purple shade and applying it as an underline. Then I'm going to go back into my Danessa Myricks palette, taking the shimmer and applying it on my inner under lash line to give it that pop. Prior to applying foundation, I'm going to use Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter, Hollywood Flawless Filter. It's like a glow, and it gives me a nice kind of a sheen to my complexion when I use it underneath my foundation. For foundation, I'm going to use Huda Beauty Easy Blur Foundation in the shade Custard, and then I'm going to use Rare Beauty Solace, which is a liquid contour, to contour the areas of my face that need contouring. I like to blend my contour with an oval brush. It blends it out really well. For blush, I'm using Maybelline Hazy Matte in the shade 6. It's a beautiful baby pink with a bit of shimmer. For lipstick, I'm using Modesty by MAC, and I'm using Lip Cheat Lip Intense Lip Liner by Charlotte Tilbury. This is one of my favorite lip combos. So here's a close-up of my eye for the final look, and here is the final makeup look. If you've made it to the end of this tutorial, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel as I have many more videos coming up. And remember to hit the bell icon so you don't miss any more of my videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.